Welcome to GeoViz Plus channel. I hope you watched part 1 of this video. Our today's task will be conducting the accuracy assessment on Google Earth. To do this, we need to export the point files to KML format. Open ArcGIS. Let's start with maximum likelihood as usual. Open the MLC accuracy assessment points, then, open our toolbox. Choose on Conversion Tools, then Layer to KML. This tool allows us to export this point data to Google Earth KML format. As usual, make sure you export to appropriate folders for each data to better manage future usage. When the exporting is finished, open the file on Google Earth. It will automatically be open to our area of interest. To change how the point is visualized, go to Properties and choose Other Icons. Open your ArcGIS and Google Earth side by side and edit the column named Ground Truth on ArcMap after checking the point on Google Earth. The first point is classified as 12, meaning cultivated areas, on the ground. It is also an area widely recognized as cultivated area, so 12 is inserted on Ground Truth column. The same is done for each 250 points. After you finalize the accuracy points ground truthing for maximum likelihood, save the shapefile using Editor's tool, then open the accuracy assessment points generated for random tree classifier. Export it to KML format and conduct the assessment in the same way like we did for maximum likelihood. To minimize ambiguity, remove the already opened KML file in Google Earth and open the new KML file. It was a greenish location icon for MLC, now I choose yellow icon for random tree assessment points. In this case, the first assessment point is classified as 14. An arbitrary number here used to denote the class bare land. When checking on the ground, it looks like it's a grassland type class. The second point is classified as 12, cultivated land on the classified image. On the ground, it is more related with 11, forest and trees. So, 11 is written on ground truth column. In the same way, the other 248 points are assessed by giving a considerable time. To make sure you don't lose your data in case of power outage, make sure to saving the edited shapefile at least 3 or 4 times. As you reach on the last point, save it and click on Stop Edit. Just like you did for maximum likelihood and random tree, follow a similar procedure to conduct the assessment for SVM or support vector machine classifier. I chose the reddish icons in this case. After you finish this, open the 3 edited accuracy assessment point shape files and generate a confusion matrix for each. Open Arc Toolbox, Spatial Analyst Tools, Segmentation and Classification. Then choose Compute Confusion Matrix. To reduce failure to generate the confusion matrix, make sure you save it in a GIS database. Confusion matrix for MLC and SVM is finalized. Now, generate for random tree classifier. When you finish generating it, open their attribute table and export the results to text file in order to import it to Excel worksheet. Make sure still you are appropriately naming your output results to reduce complications in finding them for future usage. Now we are about to achieve our initial goal of comparing and choosing which ArcGIS classifier better classifies. Use similar template on Excel sheet and import the exported confusion matrix results. As you can see, maximum likelihood has an overall accuracy of 67.2%, random tree classifier 75.7%, and support vector machine 74.8%. Random tree classifier has achieved the maximum result, being the best classifier, followed by support vector machine with slight difference. Their kappa integrity values are 0.44, 0.558, and 0.552 respectively for MLC, RTC, and SVM. Based on the overall accuracy and kappa integrity values, a rank is given for each classifiers. Random tree classifier ranked first, followed by support vector machine, again followed by maximum likelihood classifier. Note that this ranking is not absolute one. It might be different in other geographical contexts and may not be always the same. I hope you liked this video. Please share it if you find it helpful and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.